Welcome back to Turbo Car Choice, the ultimate destination for car lovers and speed enthusiasts. If you're passionate about luxury, performance, and the pursuit of perfection, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated hypercars of modern times, the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie, a machine that blurs the line between road car and race car. So, buckle up, because what you're about to see is pure adrenaline on four wheels. The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie is more than just a car, it's a statement of engineering genius and design excellence. Built in collaboration with Red Bull Advanced Technologies, this masterpiece is designed to deliver Formula One performance on the open road. The moment you lay eyes on it, you know it's something special. Its sleek, sculpted body sits low and wide, finished in a striking dark gray that perfectly complements its futuristic aerodynamics. Every line, every curve has a purpose, to slice through the air with minimal drag and maximum downforce. Underneath the hood, or rather behind the driver, lies the beating heart of the Valkyrie, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine developed by Cosworth. It produces an astonishing 1,000 horsepower on its own, but Aston Martin didn't stop there. They paired it with a hybrid electric motor that boosts total output to around 1,160 horsepower. That means this hypercar can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and reach a top speed close to 250 miles per hour. Those numbers aren't just impressive, they're mind-bending. But the Valkyrie isn't all about raw speed. It's also about innovation and craftsmanship. Step inside the cockpit, and you'll feel like you've entered a spaceship. The driver sits in a reclined F1-style position, surrounded by lightweight carbon fiber and minimalist controls. The digital display is positioned directly in front of the steering wheel, providing real-time data just like a race car. Everything in the Valkyrie has been engineered with precision, from the steering feedback to the aerodynamics that keep it glued to the road at high speeds. The sound of the V12 alone is enough to give you chills. It's raw, unfiltered, and purely mechanical, a symphony of power that reminds you why cars like this exist. The hybrid system doesn't just add power, it also assists with smoother torque delivery and energy recovery, making this beast both ferocious and efficient in its own way. Aston Martin has limited production of the Valkyrie to just 150 units worldwide, making it one of the rarest hypercars ever made. Each one is customizable to the owner's taste, with bespoke finishes and materials that reflect true automotive art. This isn't just a car, it's a dream turned into reality, a perfect blend of technology, heritage, and ambition. So, what do you think? The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie isn't just redefining performance, it's rewriting the future of hypercars. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insane car reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Turbo Car Choice, and we'll see you in the next ride, where power meets perfection.